Hi, it's Jamie here of Jamie's Faces on behalf of facepaintingtips.com to show you this cheetah design. So I'm starting off by loading a high density sponge with white paint, and I've gone up between the eyebrows up about 1.5 inches and covered the eyelids and then just taken it up along the side of the brow, and that motion I was just trying to really get it into the eyebrow area so the eyebrow gets covered up. And then I pulled it down alongside the nose, a nice wide muzzle, and covered the nose and the upper lip. Special thanks to my model. Okay, here I've got a sponge loaded with Diamond Effects Metallic Yellow, and I've gone right underneath the eye and alongside the muzzle, and then pulled up to meet with the paint that I put on the eyeshadow, and right along down to the corner of the mouth. So it creates like a triangle alongside the muzzle, under the eye, and then connects up to the side of the mouth. And then I filled in above the eyebrow, that space as well. And here I've loaded up the sponge with the Tag Pearl Orange, and I'm blending all along the top of the forehead, right into the yellow, and then along the hairline, right in front of the ear, and down to the side of the mouth. And now I've loaded the sponge with Tag Pearl Rose, and I'm blending that right on top of the orange a little bit, and again right on the edges all around the design. So now you have a 3-color gradient. And here I'm going in with the sponge Tag Pearl Teal and just covering the eyelid, and then I went up at the lower section of that white coverage. Now I've double loaded this sponge, first with Metallic Purple by Diamond Effects, and then second with black. And I'm using the BAM stencil number 1002 Cheetah, and place it on the forehead, and I'm pouncing the sponge there so that I'm getting a gradient from the purple into the black. And again on the cheek area, just along the cheekbone. And on the other side. If you load up your sponge nice and thick and not too wet, you should be able to get all of that stenciling in without reloading. Now I've got a number 4 round brush loaded with black, and I'm starting the nose. I kept it really thin because that's the way, it looks in photographs of cheetahs. And then the line down to the center of the lip, and then I try to cover the top lip and then have the joining part be more of a triangular little shape there. And I went ahead and asked her, I always ask, can I line your lid? Is it okay? If they're ready for it. So I went ahead and lined her eyelids. Just get the right consistency of paint, not too wet, not too dry. And you can just do it in one stroke. And I have them keep their eyes shut for a good 10 seconds. And now for the muzzle, I pulled thin to thick and then flick in toward the center, and then flick, flick for the 3 flicks. Now we're covering the bottom lip with Metallic Rose by Diamond Effects. I added some pink glitter on the pink areas, and then I'm going back in with my number 4 round and just adding little dots from thick to thinner on the ends of those sections of the muzzle. Some small little kitty fangs. And then I finished off with the Tag Orange, and I think I blended some yellow in there as well, and just some furry edging on there. It's optional. So there you have it, a super colorful, super fast, high impact cheetah design. Hope you guys are inspired. Thanks for watching.